This is Mr. Burns. I'm going to show you another example of subtraction. And in this one, I'm going to do all my borrowing in one step before I do any of my subtraction. Alright, so first in my ones column, I have 1 minus 5, which is obviously something that I can't do. A lot of kids will make the mistake of saying 5 minus 1 is 4, and they'll put down 4 as their answer. You can't do that, unfortunately. So let's take a look at another method for doing that. I know I need to make that one bigger, so I'm going to make it an 11. Oops, we want to change our color though so it shows up. So that has now become 11, and because I've changed that number, I'm going to drop down to my bottom row and I'm going to change the number to the left. Okay, so what I mean by that is that 8 I'm going to turn into a 9. If I increase a number in the top row, I need to increase a number in the bottom row. Now I have the same problem. I cannot take 9 from 0, so I'm going to increase that 0 to a 10. And that means in the bottom row I need to change my 5 to a 6. I'm going up by 1. Now I'm good to go, and I can do all my subtraction. So I'm going to finish the problem. 11 minus 5 is 6. 10 minus 9 is 1. And 9 minus 6 is 3. And we just bring down our 4 and the comma. Alright, you might need to repeat this video, but I am going to show you another example, so we'll pause here. Okay, here we go with our second example. And again, I cannot take 8 from 1, so I'm going to increase my 1. I'm going to make it an 11. Because I changed the number in my top row, I now need to go to the left in my bottom row. I'm going to change that 5 to a 6. This is a good problem to do because we have to do a lot of borrowing. Alright, can I take 6 from 2? No. So we're going to increase that 2 and make it a 12. And because I changed the number in my top row, now I need to drop down to my bottom row and change the number to the left. So the 7 is going to become an 8. Can I take 8 from 0? No. So that 0 I'm going to make a 10. And now my last step, you know I have this empty space here in my bottom row. It's actually like a 0 there, so we need to turn that empty space into a 1. Now we've done all our borrowing, and we can finish the problem. 11 minus 8 is 3. 12 minus 6 is 6. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So there you have it. This is how we can do subtraction, where we do all of our borrowing in one step. If you struggle with the traditional method, this can be a real lifesaver for you. If you need to see the video again, just replay it.